What's up guys, it's Chase101 and back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you my brand new Spider-Man suit. Now this suit isn't really based on any movies, comics, or games, but it's actually an original design that I made myself. I'll put a image of the design I drew. There's the suit, and can't wait to show you guys. And I made this suit from scratch, so this was a bit of a pain in the butt to make, but also kind of fun. And here is the suit. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Here's the back. So yeah, let's start off with the front. Now, if you want a tutorial on how to make this suit and any more updates on it, then be sure to subscribe and hit that taco bell, because it'll really help out the channel. And don't forget to like, comment on this video. Alright, back to the review. So, as you can see, this suit looks pretty cool. Let's start with the front. Now, I really like the colors on this suit. They look really good. I love the fabric that I chose for this. It looks better in person, but I mean, it's so high quality. As you can see, the webs are drawn with Sharpie. Usually when I have a suit, I'll puff paint the webs, but this time I just I just chose to draw with Sharpie. I thought it would be a bit more simpler. This is the front logo. I really like how this looks. This is puff painted, and as you can see, it sort of looks like Spectacular Spider-Man logo and the classic logo from the original comics. As you can see, it sort of has that TASM 2 vibe to it. Yeah, I really like it. And here's the pants and the boots. Now, I didn't attach soles yet, which I will attach soles onto this suit. Let's move on to the back. Now for the back spider, it looks really cool. I really like this design. I kind of based it off the original Ditko drawings. But I puff painted. As you can see, it's kind of cracking because one time the puff paint didn't fully cure, and I put the suit on and I sat down on a leather couch, and this stuck to the back to it. It was a pretty stupid move of me. Don't ever do that. Let your puff paint cure in time or whatever before this stuff happens. Don't make the mistake I did, okay? If you do, I will come to your house and steal your cookies. Still, it looks pretty cool. The zipper system for this is very unique because usually I have like a vertical back zipper in my suits, but I didn't do that, obviously, as you can tell, because it'll break the back spider. But with this zipper, it's different. So as you can see, there's like a zipper right here around the waist, and if you go to the back, there's a zipper right here. It's like right below the red belt, and the pants can come off. Let me try to get them off. So yeah, the pants can come off, and you could just have the shirt, which is really cool. And we also have a invisible zipper right here. Let me just there you go. So that way it could be easier to put on the suit. And I love this zipper system. It's very effective. And yeah. A little fun fact, the Amazing Spider-Man 2 suit uses this zipper system, which is really cool. So here's the pants. There's the zipper right here. And there's the boots. Now let's look at the hands. So for the gloves, gloves were the worst part about this suit. I hated sewing them. They're the worst part of any Spider-Man suit. So as you can see, there's like some webbing on this, on like the like this part, but not on the palm. As you can see, this is something that the first Raimi Spider-Man suit had on the palm. And I plan on having like a circle right here, a black circle, to represent the trigger for the web shooters, which I think would be really cool. But yeah, this is the suit. And now let's move on to the mask. So, this is the mask. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. The lenses look really huge because I wanted that cartoony look to it. As you can see, there are glue marks, which is which doesn't look very good. The webs are sharpied on, they're drawn. As you can see, the lenses are made of foam, and there's mesh right here. So I'm gonna put this on for you guys right now. Alright, as you can see, looks pretty cool. Except for the glue marks right here. I hate those. Yeah, the lenses are very huge. Got the webbing, mask pattern. And I am not using a face shell, by the way. I do plan on getting a face shell and reviewing it soon. And I'll make a video about that. This is the mask, and yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna put this suit on for you guys. And so yeah, let's put it on. Woo! Woo! Alright, so the full suit is on me. As you can see, it looks really cool. The spider looks really cool, the mask looks cool. I mean, this suit looks so freaking cool. And yeah, here's the back. As you can see, it's really nice. And yeah, I hope you guys like this suit. I'm gonna do a quick montage of the suit. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that taco bell. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. That is insane. So subscribe, it'll really help out the channel. And comment down below if you want to see a tutorial of this suit. Alright, peace. Oh!